Hello and welcome back to the Geordie Pick Investor channel. Today we are going to have a look through my InvestEngine portfolio, see how it's performed in the month of November and what my plans are moving forward, and we're going to be investing my £100 live into my ISA Factor ETF and Chill pie. If we have a look through the portfolio, you can see I have two different pies within my portfolio, one being my ISA Factor ETF and Chill pie and the other being my general investing account Factor ETF and Chill pie. The reason I have these in separate ones is because when I first opened this account, it was last year when you were only allowed to have one ISA account per year. Whereas since April, the rules actually changed and you can have unlimited amounts of ISA accounts now. So my main ISA account is over on Trading 212, and that is where I have the main bulk of my portfolio. But I decided to open up a secondary ISA account in InvestEngine so I could focus on some ETFs in here, and it can be a set and forget account where I put my money in every single month and I don't have a look at it till the following month and I see how it has performed. So if we have a look into the ISA Factor ETF and Chill pie, we can see it's now returned over 10%. You can see that all of my stocks are actually into the green now, which is great to see. Even the Franklin FTSE India, which was in the red for a little bit, has now moved up into the green alongside every other stock. The best performers within this pie are actually the iShares S&P small cap being up 16%, and then we have the UCB Factor MSCI USA Quality ESG Factor ETF, which is up 14%, and the MSCI World Momentum, which is up 12%. And overall, like I say, it comes out of being up over 10%, which is over £60 now. If we have a look into the general investing Factor ETF and Chill pie, it actually has the exact same 8 ETFs. It was just that I invested into these last year before I was able to have the two ISAs. So we can see that I invested right the way up until March before that changed in April this year. And I was then able to invest into my ISA account. So the difference in this one is obviously the returns are slightly higher across all of the stocks, the worst being the Franklin FTSE up 10%, and then every other position is up 12, 14, 27, 31, 40, 13 and 21% between them, which is an overall total of being up 24% or £124 within this portfolio. So I invested just shy of £700 in here, and we have close to £824 in there. And then in my ISA Factor ETF and Chill pie, I've invested exactly £800 into that one, and I am close to £862 in there. So like I mentioned, I'm going to invest my £100 today. I will do that now. It's very, very simple to invest on InvestEngine. You literally click onto the pie you want to invest into, press the invest option, click where you're going to invest the money from, add the amount that you want to invest, press review order, and then you just confirm the amount you want to have in each of the ETFs within the portfolio. So we can see that I just want to keep them as they are right now. I'm going to confirm that through, and my order has been submitted successfully there. So this will actually execute at 2:30 on the next day where the markets are open. So right now it is Saturday the 30th of November, so this will go through on Monday the 2nd of December. If we actually have a look at it in the last month and see how it's performed, we can see it's up a hefty 4.4% over the last month. It was worth £720. We then added that £100 in on the 4th of November, and we can see since then it has creeped up slightly, being up £38 or 4.4%. And it's always nice to see some nice green on the monthly basis. So hopefully it'll continue into the last month of the year. We can also see some nice rewards within that last month, but we'll have to see how it goes. And like I've mentioned before, this is a set and forget portfolio, so I literally put my £100 in at the start of every single month, and then I don't open this portfolio till the following month, and I have a look how it's done then, because I don't want to have any stress with this portfolio. I'm just showing that investing is not hard. If you can set yourself an amount that you know you can put aside every single month when you get paid, put it aside before you actually pay out your bills and pay out for your activities you want to do, your leisure time. Try and invest that money first, so that when you come to paying out your bills and paying for all other expenses, you've already invested that £100 and you're not going to then try and withdraw it because it's already invested into stocks, and it means you're paying yourself first. So in the future, you're going to thank yourself when that £100 has compounded over time, has had a snowball effect take place, and over multiple years it is going to compound into a lot bigger sum than just that £100, especially if you can do it consistently. Stick in the markets, make sure that you're putting that £100 in every single month, which is what I'm showing with this account right here, and you can see how it soon starts to add up. We can see my total balance now is over £1,800, but these are only going to be growing as the time goes on, which is very exciting, especially the ISA Factor ETF and Chill pie with that £100 going to be going in now every single month for at least the next 10, 20, 30 years. And that is why I like to document this on here for you guys on YouTube, to really show what you can do and highlight. You don't have to have thousands of pounds every single month. You don't have to be a multi-millionaire already to get into investing and get into the stock market and really make a difference to your future. I personally just work a normal full-time job, and I put aside some money. I'm a little bit frugal across certain areas of my life, and I try and save money as best I can. But by doing so, it means I'm able to invest into these portfolios and really build my future. So in 20, 30, 40 years time, I will hopefully be work optional, not have to work as hard when I'm a little bit older, and potentially be able to spend my time doing things I enjoy and with loved ones and family members and friends, and really be able to utilize that time as I'm a little bit older. And I'll be thanking myself for investing money early and not be stuck in the 9-to-5 rat race that a lot of people are, right the way through to God knows what age when I get there. You know, these days it's looking like the state pension is going to be over 70 years old by the time I get there in the UK, which is just so long away and not an age I would personally want to be working at and relying on that pension. So that's why I'm really trying to make a difference now and invest in my future. Hope you're doing the same. If you have any questions about these portfolios, how to open them up, if you look at the links in the description down below, if you use that link, you will receive free share worth up to £100 within your account on InvestEngine. I also have a Trading 212 link as well, so have a look at those in the description down below. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll gladly answer them and help you out as best I possibly can. I am definitely learning a lot more, as I'm very, very much passionate about this, and I do like to research every single day and continue to look into stocks, ETFs, the markets, look at news outlets that are bringing out relevant information not only in the UK but across the whole world. I find that I am very, very much interested in that field, and I do very much enjoy making these videos and putting out this content for you, not only to benefit myself so that I can stick to the plan and show you what can be done, but also to motivate you and hopefully make you feel inspired so that you could potentially start investing, opening up an account with any of the different providers that are available now. We're very lucky these days compared to 20, 30, 40 years ago. You had to spend a lot of money just to even buy different stocks, and ETFs weren't even available back then. Very lucky now and very fortunate to have such a wide range of ETFs available alongside stocks and be able to purchase them at the click of a finger. Please take advantage of that and make sure that you are making a difference for your future. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is my InvestEngine portfolio update. Very, very straightforward, as it's always going to be every month with this, but I'm just showing the returns that are coming through now, and it is increasing pretty much every single month, and it's very exciting to see. So it shows what really can be done if you do stick in the market. Please like and subscribe. This is the Geordie Pig Investor, over and out.